Alright. So, as you may notice, something different. Do you guys notice something different? Well, I got a new camera. Yeah, I finally got a new camera, like something besides my GoPro. So that's a really good thing. Anyways, so what I would tell you with this. Oh, this is the PowerShot SX530HS. This is what it is. Anyways, so I got some new turn signals. Yay! Because the reason these are flush mount, the reason I'm going to change these because what I found about this one is and the lens, this works okay, but I'm going to change it out for something else, something better. And the person did a awful wiring job on this. Yeah, it was just an awful wiring job. So yeah, so that's something I need to fix. So let's get to it. Oh, sorry for the noises outside. So basically, here it is. Now you got one black wire and one yellow wire. The yellow wire is powered with power and the black wire is powered with ground. So I need to figure out on this bike. I'm pretty sure this one with the green wire is power and this one's the ground. So I'm gonna need to fix this wire up because the previous owner, look how horrible that is. This is awful. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that and see which one goes where, and then from there, yeah. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is a couple different ways. You know, but trying to put these wires to this one to this one, and so on, and nothing's working. So that kind of tells me there must be a break in this wire. I'm really assuming it has to do in right here. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh well, that's my problem right there. But my question is, how would this work? Oh my god, I hate the people who did this job. Okay, this is gonna take me a while. Alright, so I found the problem. So basically this is off, but my question is, what's this, the blue and white wire? But it's connected to, this is connected to just the blue wire. So this is mostly giving it power, so I'm assuming that this green wire is, has to do with the blue and white wire. I'm just assuming that. I don't know if that's true or not. But what I'm gonna need to do is really organize this, because this is just one of the worst wirings I've ever seen in person. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do that, so fix that. But it works. See? Pretty great. Okay, so I tested it out. So I put this lead where the blue and white wire goes as well. And okay then. Okay, didn't do anything good. Alright, so basically I put the lead in the blue and white wire and that didn't do anything. So that tells me there's really no power going through this blue and white wire. So I'm going to just take this out, cut the blue white wire, and just plug everything in, heat shrink it, solder it, and all that. So the problem is I forgot to get solder the other day. So yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I got everything wired in place. Well, yeah. All I need to do is just to solder it, and then I got some of the heat shrink right there, and then after that I'm gonna tape it. Let me show you how it looks. Look at that. That looks really nice. compared to that. Yeah. Woo! I'm proud of myself. ASE certified. ASE certified. Gonna do a clean job on this and you'll see for sure. So I got it all heat shrinked it. If I ever focus. Oh, yeah, I got all solder, and then soon I'm gonna heat shrink it once it cools down. I really like this so far. I got it from AutoZone, and well, yeah, it works pretty well actually. You can also get the one that adjusts the temperatures, which I rather prefer that because, you know, so they won't burn the wire. But yeah, other than that, this is good. Ready to be heat shrink it, and then I'm gonna tape it, and then so they can make it look flush, nice and clean. All right, so I got everything in place. You see, I heat shrink it and everything. So what I'm gonna do is just tape it like this, so that it can look nice and neat. Just imagine that tape like that. I'm gonna just cover this too, and it looks so much nicer like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Though the wiring is not gonna be as bad, but it might not actually need fixing that much at all. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Well, see how this goes. Alright, so for this case, this one's actually not as bad. You know, this is not that bad at all. So I'm gonna go leave this like this. However, I accidentally pulled on this because I was like, oh, can we just take that out real quick? And then I saw this one, I was like, hold up, something's not right. And then I realized, okay, so this one I actually might leave on. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave that on to make it easier for myself. Cause yeah, I'm not going to do that again. So yeah. Alright, so I got something new. I got a whole new mic setup. It's all new. See, I got the thing for the mouth, and I got the whole mic too. I call these dead cats. And I got the frame sliders. They're the carbon fiber ones. They're fresh, you know. And it's weird because after I just finished this, and the frame sliders came in, I was like, yes. The reason is because one, that looks ugly, and two, yeah, that explains it. So yeah, so I'm gonna install those right now. All right, so I got the new frame sliders. They literally came in, so just now. So what I'm gonna need to do, I already got it set up. So you want to put a jack underneath your engine, just like this. Because here you go, that's good. Because this is basically, these are basically worn mounts, so yeah, so you just want to be careful with that. Do one at a time, and that's it. You know, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Okay, so surprisingly, that wasn't hard enough. I just put it in there, start spinning, and it was like spinning. I'm surprised there. I don't think the guy ever like really torqued it down properly. It's because what happened with this one is that I tipped over the bike and this completely shattered. So yeah, junk. So that's part of the mortar mount. So you literally get your new one, stick it in there. Hold up. Get your tool, just put it in there like that. Twist it gently. I would say hand tighten this first, but you know, there's really no way to do so. And just keep doing that, and there you go. Simple as that. Now, it's really boring for, wait a minute. Would this even fit? Hold up. Alright, so not bad. So basically, there's a difference, as you can see. So this one's made for the brake side, and this one's made for the clutch side. Brake, clutch, brake, clutch. Alright, my mistake. Alright, so what I did, see, it's all nice, on tight. So you need to get like a 5/8, I think. No, 5/16. 5/16 Allen key, put it in there, And to tighten it, you just put this, let me show you an example. So you put, to say you tighten it right, you get yourself a hollow bar or a cheetah bar. You put it in like this, and that's how you get a bit of grip on tightening it. Now, once it doesn't want to turn, stop, and that's it. Or do you go a quarter turn more, maybe, and then stop. And so that's how it looks. Nice. Alright, so this is the finishing. This is the finish area. Frame slider. You get the turn signals. Ooh, it's bright. But sometimes my rear ones act up a little bit. Well, not this time. But sometimes they act up. So this is a loose connection. But other than that, it looks really nice. Well, I still gotta put the frame on and everything. The reason I'm not doing that for right now is because, you know, my friend Alpha is gonna come over. He's gonna help me replace the speed sensor, which I don't have. Well, I do have the tool, but I only have one 10mm that'll work. And yeah, that's all rounded off. So I need to get a new 10mm one, and I will at least like to have a friend around to help around. So yeah, I hope you all like this video and everything, and to catch you on later. Bye bye. Hope you like this video too. I really did enjoy myself. You can turn into turn signals, new frame sliders. It was all fun, but to be honest, I'm still not keeping this bike. Well, why do you put some money? Why do you put some money in it, dude? To ready to be sell, you know. Nobody is really going to buy a bike that has these crappy, bad-looking frame sliders and one that's like all bitten up and everything like that. Now you got like this. It's a lot nicer. So flush mount, some kids might like it. So like, yeah, I want an f4i. Yeah. It looks sick, bro. No, my bad. That's a texture thing. I'm just kidding. But yeah, hope you all liked this video. Catch you all later. And I will get to the pet bike soon once my clutch holder comes in. So I can get that out and replace with this generator system. So yeah, well, it's not a generator technically, but I like to call it that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Catch you all later. Bye bye.